Ever wondered how you can make money with AI? Well, you're not alone. It's the 21st century, the era of artificial intelligence, and we're smack in the middle of the AI gold rush. Just like the miners of old who ventured into the unknown in search of gold, today's entrepreneurs and investors are venturing into the realm of AI, hoping to strike it rich. And guess what? Many of them are succeeding. Take a moment to consider the success stories. There's Sophia, the world's first robot citizen who's making waves in the tech world. Or DeepMind's AlphaGo, which has not only won against human champions in the complex game of Go, but also opened up a world of possibilities in strategic problem-solving. These breakthroughs are not just scientific achievements, they're also financial windfalls. Sounds enticing, right? But how exactly can you tap into this gold rush? First things first, understanding AI is crucial. So, what exactly is AI? It's an abbreviation for artificial intelligence, a field of computer science dedicated to creating systems capable of performing tasks that usually require human intelligence. It's like teaching a computer to think, learn, and make decisions. One key component of AI is machine learning. Picture a toddler learning to walk. He stumbles, falls, but each time he gets up, he adjusts and improves. That's machine learning for you, computers learning and improving from experience. Next, we have natural language processing, or NLP for short. This is the technology that allows computers to understand and respond to human language. It's the magic behind your virtual assistant understanding your voice commands. All these concepts might seem complex, but a basic understanding is necessary to tap into the AI goldmine. Now that you've got a handle on what AI is, let's move on to the first step in making money with it. The first step in your AI money-making journey is identifying the right opportunity. Now, this might sound daunting, but let's break it down. AI is booming in numerous sectors, from healthcare to finance and transportation. But how do we navigate this vast sea of opportunities? In the realm of healthcare, AI is revolutionizing diagnostics, patient care, and even drug discovery. Picture AI algorithms predicting diseases before symptoms appear, or customizing treatments based on a patient's unique genetic makeup. If you spot a startup developing such innovative solutions, you might be onto a potential gold mine. Moving on to finance, AI is reshaping the way we manage and invest money. Think high-speed trading algorithms and robo-advisors providing personalized investment advice. Companies that are leveraging AI to make finance more accessible and efficient could be your ticket to a profitable venture. Transportation, too, is being transformed by AI. We're talking about self-driving cars, smart traffic management, and automated logistics. If you see a company making strides in these areas, it might be worth taking a closer look. Now, you may ask, how do I identify promising opportunities within these sectors? Start by looking at the problems these industries are facing and see how AI can provide solutions. Look for companies with innovative ideas, strong teams, and a clear plan for execution. Research market trends, and always keep an eye on the competition. But remember, in the world of AI, things move at warp speed. So, keep your finger on the pulse of the industry. Attend conferences, follow thought leaders, and immerse yourself in the latest research. And of course, don't forget about the potential risks. AI is a double-edged sword, and not every venture is going to be a slam dunk. But with careful research and a bit of luck, you'll be well on your way to striking gold in the AI gold rush. Once you've identified the right opportunity, it's time to build or invest. After all, the future of AI isn't just about what it can do, but what you can do with it.
Wow. What's up, gang? Did you know pulse of profit beats in binary and algorithms reign supreme? That's right, folks. AI is the undisputed champion of money-making. You feel me? On God, gone are the days of traditional investment strategies and outdated financial models. With the advent of artificial intelligence, the game has changed forever. Picture this: algorithms tirelessly crunching numbers, analyzing market trends with lightning speed, and executing trades with precision that would make even the most seasoned Wall Street tycoon do a double take. It's not just about making money anymore, it's about making it smarter, faster, and with unparalleled accuracy. But hold on to your hats and BBLs, because the best part is yet to come. Like and subscribe now, and you'll be joining an exclusive club of visionaries, pioneers, and, let's face it, downright cool cats who are ready to ride the AI wave to financial freedom, you heard. And hey, who knows? Maybe one day you'll look back and say, I subscribed before it was cool, and shoot, am I glad I did? Don't miss out on the fun. Hit that sub button faster than an AI-powered trading bot making a split-second decision. Let's make money-making not just a journey, but a downright hilarious adventure.
Now, the question is, do you build an AI business or invest in one? This, my friends, is akin to choosing between baking a fresh loaf of bread or buying one from the bakery. Both have their own flavors of excitement and challenges. If you're the adventurous type who enjoys the thrill of creating something from scratch, then building an AI business might be your cup of tea. There's a certain exhilaration in assembling a team, developing a unique AI solution, and watching it grow from a budding concept into a full-fledged enterprise. However, remember, this path requires a solid commitment of time, energy, and resources. You'll need a strong team with diverse skills, from coding to marketing, and of course, a healthy dose of patience. It's like kneading dough. It takes time and effort, and you'll probably end up with flour all over your kitchen. On the other hand, if you're more of a strategic thinker who prefers to leverage the hard work of others, investing in an AI business might be more your style. This route allows you to capitalize on the booming AI industry without getting your hands dirty with the nitty-gritty of operations. Investing can offer an attractive return, especially if you have a keen eye for potential winners. However, it comes with its own set of challenges, like the need for deep due diligence and a willingness to accept the risk of loss. It's like buying a loaf from the bakery. You're banking on the baker's expertise, but there's always a chance that the bread might be a tad too crusty or not quite to your taste. So, whether you're a budding entrepreneur or a savvy investor, both paths offer opportunities to profit from the AI gold rush. But remember, the key to success in either venture is not just about having a great idea or picking the right company to invest in. It's about understanding the market, knowing your strengths, and being prepared to adapt to change. Whether you decide to build or invest, the next step is the same: monetization. So, let's get ready to turn those AI dreams into tangible dollars and cents. So, how exactly do you make money from AI? This is the million-dollar question, isn't it? In our journey so far, we've navigated the AI gold rush, dug deep into understanding AI, identified the right AI opportunities, and discussed building or investing in AI. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter: monetizing AI. There are several ways to monetize AI, and your chosen method will largely depend on your business model. One popular route is software as a service, or SaaS. This model involves developing an AI software or platform, and then charging customers a subscription fee to use it. Think Netflix, but for AI. The beauty of SaaS is that it provides a steady stream of recurring revenue and scales beautifully as your customer base grows. Another route to monetization is through licensing. This involves creating an AI technology and then licensing it to other companies for their use. This can be a lucrative approach if your technology is unique and highly valuable. It's like renting out a room in your house, but in this case, you're renting out your AI brainchild. Then there's advertising. If your AI platform attracts a large user base, you can monetize through ads. This is a common model for social media platforms and other free-to-use services. It's like holding a party where everyone's invited for free, but the drinks are sponsored. Regardless of the monetization method you choose, it's crucial to have a clear business model from the start. This will guide your development process and help you avoid costly detours. Remember, AI is not a magic money tree. It requires careful planning, strategic execution, and constant refinement. And there you have it. The road to making money with AI may not be easy, but it's certainly possible and potentially very lucrative. Your journey in the world of AI is just beginning. So buckle up, keep learning, and let the AI gold rush begin.
Yo, yo, yo. Big ups to all my hustlers and ballers out there who just caught that vibe on the AI money-making train. But guess what? We ain't done yet, fam. We're just getting warmed up like a fresh batch of Benjamins straight off the press. So here's the deal, fam. If you want to keep stacking those stacks, if you want to keep living that high life and making them haters green with envy, then you gotta stay plugged in. Hit that video popping up on that screen like it owes you money, cause trust me, it's gonna be lit AF. We're talking next level strategies, insider tips, and more cash flowing gems than you can shake a diamond encrusted cane at. So don't sleep on it. Don't miss the wave. Stay locked, stay loaded, and keep making that paper rain. It's your boy Lust, signing off until the next episode of the Money Making Marathon. Peace out, and may your pockets stay deep and your dreams even deeper. On God.